Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create the neon text effect on CapCut PC. So it is super simple. First, I'm just going to add the blank screen to the track, and I'm just going to add the text, select the bold text, or you can add the text effect or text template here, but I want to add the bold text. So just going to change the text, for example, and you can change the size and just for iteration and add the animation, and I'm just going to select wave and loop animation, and then you are just going to export. So click export, and after that you are just going to delete the project and import that created, and I have been imported that created. So add to track, and then just going to evac, select night clip, and select on outline. So tap on add to track. So here we go. We are just going to just for this train option the right. Alright, so here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much.